Is that a good stick? Oh my goodness. That's a very big stick you have. Uh-huh. More to chew on, huh? Yummy. That's gonna take a long time to chew on. You are a funny dog, Monkey. I see you have a pile of potted plants there too. That's the remains. Is that good? Monkey? Is that good? Yes. That's a very nice stick you have. Just keep it outside, okay? Just don't bring it in the house. Something tells me that you think you're a lot bigger than you think you are. Mikey, you're a funny dog. Are you gonna share that with Queso? Where's Queso? Apparently not. Okay. You have fun with that and don't bring it in the house.